Hello and welcome to this video walkthrough of my scheme of work for AQA English Language Paper 1 Section A. It's fully updated to match the 2025 changes to the exam, so this one is for students sitting the exam in 2026 and beyond. Now this listing includes a PowerPoint with 18 one-hour lessons, that's 214 slides, all designed to guide students through questions 1 to 4 with clarity and confidence. Each lesson is fully resourced with engaging activities, model answers aimed at grades 6 to 9, and one homework task per week. So the lessons break each question down into manageable steps, with a strong focus on building the core skills for AO1, AO2, and AO4. The lessons start with a do now task. They walk students through the skills in the question, and there's time for some preparation of the responses, there's timed practice, and they feature original model responses to help students understand what success looks like, as well as opportunities for peer, self, or teacher assessment. Now, you'll also get 9 full practice papers, each covering questions 1 to 5, using extracts from classic texts like Dracula, Jane Eyre, Great Expectations, The Time Machine, and more. And these are fully integrated into the scheme, helping students apply what they've learned in real exam-style conditions. And I hope you don't need it, but there are also 2 cover worksheets included too. Each one has enough work for a 1-hour lesson, and they just need printing and they're ready. So for about the same price as a coffee and a slice of cake at your favourite cafe, you can save yourself hours of planning time and give your students a solid head start. It's structured, it's time-saving, and it's classroom-ready. So whether you're new to teaching Paper 1 or just looking to refresh your resources, everything you need is here. Lessons, practice papers, model answers, homework, cover work, extension tasks, it's all there, all in one place, and it's ready to teach. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.